So you can see here all the tool I use for creating the drilling operation and also make the tap. So is the jig I create on the lathe to use it as a centering tool. It's the first drill bit to start the drilling operation, the final size of the drilling operation, the tap, the small wrench to start the tapping operation, the tap guide with the tip, the spring tip, and then the tap wrench. So I made all those 4 holes and tapping, and I put a screw, and I did the same thing here. So it's the, let's say, the Y plate now is secure to the main body of the CNC machine. So you have the column here, the main body is here, and you can see that it's secure. There is a black screw. It was my first hole, and the drilling was not deep enough, so I have to make a shorter screw, but the other one have the proper dimension. So this part of the CNC machine is now done. The Y plate is firmly secured to the CNC machine and to the bed, so it's a big step forward. I have some remaining job to do, and there is some side holes here where I need to make some drilling and tapping operation. So there is a 16 things to make there. So on this side I have 8 holes to drill and to tap, and I have the same thing on the other side here. And there is another point I want to mention. I have to make 1 more holes, and I tap it at the end of the bed, and I do the same thing on the both sides. And what I will do, I will put an eye lift in here and in the other end, so I will have multiple points to lift the CNC machine. So I have 1 point here, another point here, another point here in the back, another point here in the back, and I have also on both sides of the column some tap hole here where I can put also some eye lift. So I will be able to move all the CNC machine thanks to those eye lift. And what I need to do in the next step, after having finishing the drilling on both sides, I have to reverse the CNC machine, because in the back here I have some other hole, and I need to drill them, tap them, to make a link between the Z plates and the Y plates. So it will be some lifting operation, and hopefully I will not have to disassemble all the CNC machine to make the job. And also I have some remaining holes on the top of this plate here, close to the roof, and I need also to drill it, but as you can see, the roof is very close to the CNC machine, so I cannot use the drilling machine. So what I will do, I will remove the CNC machine from this bench support, and I will put it down on the floor, so I will be able to make the remaining job. So it will be the next step that you can show and you can see in the next episode. So thanks for watching, and see you then the next week for the remaining job.